welcome back to our channel. I'm Megan.
And I'm Ciera, and we're doing our long-awaited apartment tour. I know we promised this way back when we moved in August. We were waiting on something for a very, very long time, and it ended up falling through. So, here we are.
You're finally doing it.
Yeah.
Also, we're recording this at night, so if the lighting's not optimal, we apologize. Also, our batteries on our good camera were like running out during the video, and so like if we seem a little rushed, that is why. We're actually recording this intro and the outro on our vlog camera, but you gotta do what you gotta do.
We went through 3 different batteries just trying to get the whole thing filmed. So, without further ado, here is our apartment tour.
Alright you guys, so this is our front door to our apartment. We have a key thing. It's literally just a stick-on plastic command thing. That's really handy to have our keys and wallets on, so we have that there. And then this is our front closet. You guys can peek in if you want. There's nothing super special. It's kind of a mess actually, but our trash is in there, random winter stuff, suitcases, shoes, stuff like that. Alright, next to our kitchen, we actually have our own in-unit washer dryer, which is very nice. It's definitely nice not having to go somewhere else to do laundry, so we really love having our own in-unit washer dryer. Here's our kitchen. I'll give you a second to just like appreciate it in its full beauty because I think it's really nice, but I don't think there's really much to like go through as far as like, I'm not going to take you guys through our cupboards or anything, but we have a Keurig toaster, Instant Pot, which is really nice, some bread and cookies just hanging out. This is from Walmart and it was like $9, so that's actually a pretty good deal. And then this thing is what we have to hold our silverware because actually none of the drawers are big enough to hold silverware. So this is from HomeGoods and actually is really cute and I think it worked out pretty good. And then we are lucky we have a dishwasher there, so no more doing our own dishes like we had to do in our dorm at last year. But other than that, that's kind of our kitchen. I guess over here we have a tissue box right here and then an Amazon Echo. I don't want to say her name though because then she'll turn on. And then bar stools are from Menards. Look like this. This is Ciera's room. We'll do our rooms after I finish the living room. First of all, I'll get a nice little overview of our living room without me in it. We actually just kind of finished getting our living room put together. I like Ciera's backpack right there. That's good. Good stuff. So I will say on our move-in vlog, a lot of you guys were like, that couch is huge for the living room. And I was like, not really. It's a sectional. First of all, free. It was our grandma and grandpa's old couch. Big plus. Second of all, comfortable. Third of all, I love lying on this ottoman. So I thought we were gonna get rid of it and get a table, but we can't get ourselves to get rid of it. So anyways, I have no idea where this couch is from. This rug, me and Ciera fell in love with it as soon as we saw it. It is from Homemakers. And then, let's see, I'll go over here. This was in our dorm last year. The bin is from Target and it came with us this year. We have some wall art from Society 6. These are just prints that we got. We are going to frame them, but hanging them up with push pins is easier, and cheaper. Frames are expensive. This is a tray that we got for drinks and remotes and to hold that cute terrarium, and it is from Target. Kind of expensive, but whatever. This, don't mind what's on our TV. We have it paused because we need to watch Grey's Anatomy, and it already started. So, the TV stand is from Target. Just got it. It's pretty cute. We have some decor hanging on it, that cute little plant. We also have a nice plant back here. It is from HomeGoods. You guys saw that in our move-in vlog probably. And then to finish up the living room, in this corner we have our lamp from our dorm last year. It's from IKEA. All these pillows are from Target. And then this blanket that we have right here is from Amazon. So that's kind of the main part of our apartment. Okay guys, so now we're going to go into my room. This is the overview. So we'll start over here. So I got a full-length mirror. It's from Target. And then the stool is from Society 6. It's great to put things on. It's from HomeGoods.
Or wait, why did I say Society 6? It's from HomeGoods. This is a nightstand that Megan had from our mom's house. I think it's from HomeGoods. And I have some decor on it, a candle, some books down there that I don't know what to do with. And then this is my bed. Absolutely love it. The frame is from Homemakers. These 3 pillows are from At Home, and so is the bedding. And I have these 2 blankets at the end. This one's just from Pink, and this is the one that we have in our living room that's from Amazon. And then I have this beautiful beach photo up here, and it's from At Home. And I love it because I feel like my room's like a nice little beach vibe. So the picture over here is of Trice and Lily, and our mom actually got it for us for Christmas, and she had someone actually paint it. And so, yeah, love having that there. So cute. And then we'll go into my bathroom. So my bathroom's bigger. I know everyone's gonna be like, why did you have a bigger bathroom? But like, someone had to take it, so I did. So over here I just have my water pick, my facial cleaner, a little plant, toothbrush, soap, tissues, this Bluetooth speaker that I can't find the charger for, so I haven't even used it yet. Have this fun little Love You More sign that I don't know where it's from, but you can find those like anywhere. Plant. My towels and mats and stuff are from Target. I went with a blue theme. I have a nice stand-up shower, so it's got sliding doors, so I didn't need to buy a curtain or anything. I just keep my wraparound robe towel thing and like this hair towel thing on there so I can grab it easily. And then I keep my products and stuff just hanging up because I feel like it keeps the shower cleaner in general. And we'll quickly look in my closet. Hanging up clothes here. I have like all the small stuff up here. Folding stuff over here. Shoes down there. And then bags up there. And that's it for my room.
Alright, now we're going to go into my room. So this is kind of an overview of what it looks like. Where to start? Okay. This full-length mirror is from Target, so that's where I got that. My bed is the same one that Ciera has. It's also from Homemakers. I got my bedding from At Home. This pillow is also from At Home. And then I've had these pillows for forever. They are from Target. And then I also got this extremely soft throw blanket from At Home, as well as that painting right there. This nightstand's one I've had forever in my bedroom. It's from HomeGoods. Ciera took the other one just to save some money on furniture. This I was going to eventually hang up, but I kept being too lazy to do that, so it's been right here. And then this was in our dorm last year. I just have a couple pictures hanging up, you know, to bring some color to the room, and I like having pictures around. Then I have this nice green plant. It's fake, and it's from HomeGoods. Now to my bathroom. Alright, this is my bathroom. There's not much to look at, so I'll just kind of give you guys a nice overview. I don't have a walk-in, I almost said shower, but I meant closet, so that's just a normal closet. This I had at my mom's house, and I actually think it looks really good here, and it offers nice storage. It's from Target, I think, and I just have a lot of stuff I reach for a lot on here. Facial cleansing stuff that I think actually broke my face out, but it's fine. Soap, toothbrush holder, a mirror, and then my Bluetooth speaker, which does actually work. Other than that, I kind of went with like a black towel thing going on because nice and chic, you know, super nice. And then I just have a white shower curtain from Target. And that's my room, that's my bathroom. We hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let's bring this video to 5,000 likes. I actually don't really know how many likes we normally get on this channel. 5,000 would be a good guess. If we didn't say where anything was from and you guys want to know, comment down below and we'll try and respond if we remember. Also, I think this is pretty obvious, but we still sometimes get comments of people asking like how our dorm is so nice. This is not a dorm, this is an actual like apartment. So we lived in the dorms last year. If you want to see our dorm tour moving in, we have that on our channel. This is an apartment, not the same thing, not through the university at all. But other than that, we are really happy with where we're living, and we hope you guys enjoyed our apartment tour because it's probably been our most requested video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe by clicking the red button down below, and we'll see you next time I post. Bye!